Lincoln Trail College Broadband Telecom students are getting an opportunity to do hands-on work through an apprenticeship with the Clarksville Mutual Telephone Company. They've been working on fiber-to-the-home installations, and Jeff Carpenter says they hit the ground running.
From the day they came in, we started to work. Instructor worked with them, was able to stop and teach, say we've talked about this before in class. This is how it actually looks. This is what we're doing, and they get the benefits of the hands-on training.
Instructor Dennis York says this is a great opportunity for students to learn.
So it gives the students a chance to take everything that we've learned in the lab work, in the book work, everything we've talked about, everything that we've practiced and worked on, actually putting it to use out in the field, dealing with live fiber and real customers.
He says learning how to work with customers is difficult to teach in the classroom, so this is a tremendous benefit for the students. Jared Wager is one of those students, and he's enjoyed interacting with the customers.
Just being able to share this knowledge with the customers, because we work with 40 to 50-year-olds who don't have any idea what is going on outside, and they come out and just watch us do installs, and we just get to share what we know with them.
Landon Lego has enjoyed the apprenticeship and LTC's program.
I'd highly recommend it. I like it a lot because you get the hands-on training and everything. But there is some bookwork, and it's nice to have the bookwork as well because they go over the bookwork with us and then they actually apply it hands-on, and it's a really good way of learning it.
York says there are projects like this happening all over the country, so there are great opportunities for students to start careers whether they want to stay local or travel. He says they hear from companies all the time asking for LTC students, and one of the great benefits is the program at LTC can be completed in just 1 year. For LTTV, I'm Chris Ford.